Welcome to this tutorial on how to add EveryDollar zero-based budgeting to your financial planning. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances by assigning every single dollar to a specific category, ensuring that your income is fully accounted for. To get started, first create an account on the EveryDollar website or download the mobile app. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to enter your income. This is the foundation of your zero-based budget, as every dollar you earn will be assigned to a specific category. Next, you will be asked to set up your budget categories. These categories will vary depending on your personal financial situation, but common categories include housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. EveryDollar provides a list of suggested categories to help you get started. Now, it is time to assign dollars to each category. Start with your necessary expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and groceries. Assign the exact amount you need for each category, leaving no remaining balance. This is the core principle of zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned to a specific purpose. After assigning dollars to your necessary expenses, move on to your discretionary spending, such as entertainment, hobbies, and savings. Be sure to prioritize your goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. As you continue to assign dollars to each category, your remaining balance should be zero. This ensures that you have accounted for every single dollar of your income, leaving no room for unnecessary expenses or financial waste. To make the most of every dollar, be sure to regularly review and adjust your budget as your income or expenses change. Update your categories and dollar assignments accordingly. This will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and using EveryDollar to implement a zero-based budget, you will be able to take control of your finances, prioritize your spending, and achieve financial stability. Remember to stay disciplined and regularly review your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals.